Welcome to Upskill and Refresh from GeoJet. This is Chef Arshad Hussain. I am currently working with the Kochi Marriott. So today we will be making a salad, which as the name suggests, it's a summer salad. So the first ingredient that we are using is lettuce. It's a mixed lettuce. We are using some iceberg and romaine. The second ingredient that we will be using is quinoa. So broccoli is available in local market. If you don't have broccoli, you can use cauliflower as well, but just make sure that it is nicely blanched. Fourth one would be beetroot. So beetroot is something which not everybody likes, but if you cook it in a proper way, you get a very good, very nice taste of it. So what I have done today is I have cooked the beetroot with some orange juice. Apart from that, we are using oranges. The one that we are using is Valencia orange, which is an imported one. If you don't have Valencia orange, you can use the local that we have. Apart from that, we are using paneer. So whichever any Indian household fridge, when you open, you'll get a block of paneer inside. One very important ingredient would be chia seed. So chia seed is something which is used in abundance in the southern part of India, which is also known as sabja or even a basil seed. If you don't have chia seed, it's fine. You can just omit it. One very important thing that we're using is nuts. So nuts, even that is something which is available in any of the household. I'm using almond today. I've just pan sauteed it so that it becomes crunchy and crispy. So making a salad is very easy. It will just assemble everything that we have together. So most of the things are ready for us. So we'll start off with the lettuce. So one thing which is very important when you make a salad, your lettuce or leaf should be very crunchy. So what do we do for making it crunchy? We just soak it in ice chilled water and then we dry it. And try to use the smaller parts, the smaller lettuce. If the bunch is small, it is hopefully having nice crunchy piece of lettuce. So just shred it, not too big, it should be enough so that it can go in one gulp. So romaine is something which is classically goes in a salad called a Caesar salad, which is very classical, very old school, orthodox, very popular salad when it comes from Italy. So romaine is very good with any cheese based dressing that you make. It goes very well with that. So the dressing, what I'll do is I'll just smear the dressing and I'll keep it for maybe few seconds or maybe 30 odd seconds so that it gets soaked in. But make sure you don't leave it for too long a time so that your main purpose of keeping the leaves crunchy would not be successful. It will wilt. Okay, so quinoa, we don't need to add too much of stuffs to the quinoa. We just need to just drizzle some olive oil to it and a little bit of seasoning. I have already seasoned it with some salt initially, but we just need to add a little bit more. A hint of salt and a hint of crushed pepper. That's it. So we just mix it properly so that the salt is nicely evenly distributed. So it's very important to plate your dish in a very attractive way because the guest or ourselves itself, we eat from our eyes first. So the first appearance or the first impression is very important. So we'll try to do a nice plating so that it's become much more appealing apart from the nutritional value that we have. So this is the quinoa that we have already prepared. So we'll put it in a mold. Because quinoa, as you know, it is very grainy, so it tends to just fabricate or maybe disintegrate. So it's better we put it in a mold. It gives a nice shape to it. So make sure you just firmly fix it so that once you take out the mold, the shape remains intact. So that is very important. So the next, as we have already prepared the lettuce, we'll add some chia seed to it. So chia seed is supposed to be added in the last so that the crunchiness or the firmness is intact. The advantage of chia seed is that it gives a nice bite to the salad. So like I said, you can use whatever lettuce, whatever leaves that you have, and arugula would be the best to go with this because of the components that we are using. So preferably arugula or even spinach. Spinach is having a very high nutrition value. So if we can use spinach, even that is good. So this is a major ingredients. Now the remaining part we'll just toss it and finish it. So like we said, beetroot. Be very careful with the beetroot because it releases a lot of color. So make sure your plate, while plating, it is placed properly so that it doesn't affect your plate. The orange segments, we don't need to do anything to it. It's very much natural. You just need to place it. The broccoli, even it is ready. So you can see there are a lot of colors. So salad is all about colors. Like I said, it's the first impression that we create. So make sure your salad is always colorful. And whatever ingredients we are using, it is very high. It is having very high nutritional value. So the purpose that we are having of nutrition, it is already successful. Plus we are having nice colors like beetroot. It gives a very good color as well as it is very good for your blood. It helps in maintaining the blood pressure and also the circulation of the blood, the production of the blood. Cottage cheese or paneer, like I said, it's already marinated and sauteed. You can use without sauteing as well, it's all up to you, but I have just sauteed it so that it gives a nice color to it and it becomes a bit more appealing. Last but definitely not the least, the nuts. Like I said, it gives a nice crunchiness to it. So you can use whatever nuts, any nut that you have. I'm using almond, you can use cashew nut, you can use pistachio, you can use walnut, whatever you want to. Like I said, it's your own imagination and your taste. I'll just take out the mold. And in the end, we'll just drizzle some olive oil. So olive oil, it helps to give shine as well as taste to it. So here we have, our salad is ready. You can see it's very colorful and yes, of course, nutritional. So do try it and I hope you like it. Please go beyond your imagination. Whatever you feel like, you can add to it. So all the best for your dish. Thank you.